Hello everybody, this is Saeed David Foreman with 5D Events, and greetings and welcome. I would like to invite everybody to our Los Angeles Symposium of Quantum Consciousness and Healing, August 17, 18, 19, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And this event is going to be a special because we pulling in a lot of international people from Belgium, from even Australia. They're flying in. Los Angeles people especially very excited about it. And in US we have scientists come in, we have doctors bringing anti-aging latest findings that everybody should hear, how to increase your life and without medicine and with the anti-aging alternative products. So anyway, what I'm videoing to invite everybody to August 17, 18, 19. If you can register your seats, we only have a few weeks. If you can go to 5devents.com and register your seats, this event is going to be a special. We're going to shoot for 1,000 or 2,000 people. So far we have 500 people, and we want to invite everybody to exhibit, attend, buy tickets, invite their friends. Go to 5devents.com, 5devents.com, register, buy your tickets, and invite everybody. This is going to be one of the highest consciousness healing and anti-aging especially, and historical event, because we're going to bring a lot of new information about the future of America, future of our lives, and future history of consciousness, spirituality, and business. A lot of business people coming in too also. So I'm at the Sheraton Gateway. I want to switch around if I can to show you the hotel. And this is a very special hotel because it's so close to LAX area, and it's got like 1,000 rooms. And I'm in the parking lot. We got valet parking and a couple of parking spaces on the back. And also, as we speak, we want to show you the rest of the hotel. This hotel is like $300 a night right now on the average, and we have a special rate of $149, and they're very upset about it. They want to finish the rate and jump it up to $300 a night for our group. So my suggestion is you folks hurry up and share it. Oh my God, weddings, we got dining. Sheraton is one of the 5-star hotels. We invite everybody. People would find their partners in their lives, the best friends. All our events, people say to me, I found my best friend in life. Even myself, I found my best friends in my life. You know, the exhibitors bring in a lot of new products that you guys would love. And you know, people are flying in. We're going to have a great event, and we want you to be in there. If you cannot be at the event, go on our website and stream the event, live stream for $69. Tickets right now are $350 or something, and with dinner $425, but they're going to be increased as we speak to $595 at the door. At the door, and then welcome to Los Angeles. So you guys, folks out of state, get your tickets. Flights are cheap right now. Come to LA, and this is a great hotel and great ambience. There's a lot of people here. We go and celebrate people who are going to join our event. They're very special because they're going to emphasize on the future of humanity. Myself also about artificial intelligence. Great pool that we can show you to you guys. Artificial intelligence, about science and consciousness, about healing, about spirituality. We just have Dr. Newton joined us. He got new books about consciousness and how to raise health and vitality through a lot of new sciences. So we got Dr. Hertog coming from Belgium. He only talking on Friday. He's busy. He's got 4,000 doctors head of European Union, what you call it, anti-aging group. Also, we got Dr. The STEAM block, a stem cell researcher. We got Dr. Ed Park. All these people are very high level speakers. We have Dr. Ovakaitis. He's a laser sound specialist on healing number of diseases. He's a big researcher. He's coming. A lot of people coming to see all these guys. We got myself. We got Bernie Dorman from business section. We got Forbes Riley coming. Renee Piani going to be our Renee Piani is going to be our MC. I didn't have lunch yet. It's 5 o'clock. I got to run and call a lot of people and do a lot of things, registration, and we got to speed up the event. This is going to be a special event, and you know, we hoping you join us. If you can't come to Los Angeles, stream live. Otherwise, catch your flight and come in. We will meet you Friday, 9 a.m. At the LAX Sheraton Gateway, Los Angeles, two blocks from LAX, and it's going to be a lovely weekend with all of you. How are you? She's so beautiful, Brazilian. So hey guys, don't stay back. By the way, our exhibits are free. If you don't want to pay for tickets to join us at the event, it's fine. Come and see the exhibitors. They're all day 9 to 6 here, and our event is 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day. God bless you. God bless America. God bless consciousness, and God bless all those people who will stand for consciousness, healing, and better future. So 5devents.com, number 5 letter D events.com. We hope to see you. Thank you.